What up, guys? It's Nick back here with another video, and today I'm doing a Itachi versus Sasuke pair of Air Force Ones. Um, I actually I actually made these for when I went to Kansas City for the Planet Anime Con or whatever it's called, Planet Con anime in Kansas City. It's a convention for comics and stuff like that. So I made these so I can have available there, just so I can have some things to display and stuff like that. So I made this pair there. So I'm actually late making this video because I've been did these shoes. So, um, but I chose to do some safe characters with these, because Itachi and Sasuke will always be marketable. You know what I'm saying? Like you can't go wrong by making a shoe with Itachi and Sasuke. You can't. So I made these to be able to display on my table and stuff like that. I really was using them as like eye catchers or whatever because I don't intend to sell the shoes that I make. I really don't. You know what I'm saying? So I use them as pretty much eye catchers. So people are like, oh, look at that, that's amazing. And then they come look at what else I got type thing because I sell mouse pads and art prints and stuff like that as well too. So if you're somebody that's looking to do like conventions and stuff like that, it's a very lucrative thing to do. But I really need to make a video about that, explaining some of the do's and don'ts to not do there, because it was some things I learned about as far as like production costs and all that I could have avoided if I had just did a little bit of research. So, but if that's something you want to do, if you're an artist or something like that, that's very profitable. I would recommend that you do that, and it's an easy way to grow your Instagram, grow your network and stuff like that. Because I learned a lot of things from a lot of artists by going to these type of conventions. So, one thing I enjoyed about making this piece is I used this reference right here of Itachi the night he killed the Uchihas. This is one of my favorite images of Itachi. For some reason, I don't know why on this particular leather, it's like when I lay down paint, it tends to make the character look slightly different to me. It still looks good, but it looks like a little off to me. But you know what I'm saying? But it works out. Like I mean, I don't see anybody complaining about it, but like, I just, it was kind of turning me off a little bit as I was making it. So, but, I decided to do the sword as the sushi again. That's a real popular thing that people tend to want when I make these, because like a couple of times I actually had an order a bit for this exact same shoe after this. So, and that was one thing that they specifically liked about it. They wanted the swoosh, but on this one I put blood splatter on it, but they didn't want blood splatter on theirs. So, but yeah, so like making these were fun. It was a nice thing to do. I really enjoyed my time doing it. Just moving forward, going there, just trying to grow, trying to become a better artist, make better content, make better shoes and stuff like that. So if there's anything that you guys want to see, anything that you guys liked about it, didn't like about it, let me know. Like, okay, who you want to see next? If you want to see me do a Naruto, I really need to do Naruto. I haven't done a lot of Naruto pieces with Naruto. Like I think I only did a Naruto versus Sasuke shoot. I think that's the only thing Naruto I've done. Well, I did a canvas too, but other than that, like I don't have a lot of Naruto stuff. So I feel like I need to do some more of those. But if there's anybody specific you want to see, like I know I typically do the popular animes. I probably need to do something because I watched a recent movie called Sword of the Stranger, and that was a banger. I'm talking about that jump it was nice. I'm talking about that was that movie had me entertained from beginning to end. So it's some things that I need to some lower scale ones that I feel like I need to do that can get some attention. So I feel like I can do those. But I'm gonna see. I'm just gonna keep moving forward and keep trying to figure out what it is that I can work on. So let me know what you guys think. Like, comment, subscribe, and enjoy the rest of the process.